Open the cupboard door. Oh, what? I must be here. Let's have a quick look. She's opened the cupboard. Oh, there's stuff up there. I wonder what's up there. It's food, but what sort of food is it? Could it be possibly for me? She tells me it's not. But then it could be. Who knows? Is that what you think, Stevie? The look on your face, yeah? That's what it resembles. Yes. That's what it looks like. The mind of the cat. Yeah, last glance. I'm going to shut the door. Watch out for the paw. Stevie, watch out for the paw. Oh, Stevie. Oh, I know. There were such temptations there, Stevie. Such temptations. Yeah, I know. It's the cupboard. It's the unknown. It's the possibilities for Stevie. Hey, Stevie? Possibilities for you. What goodies there could be within. Well, I don't know if it's really goodies, but Stevie probably sees it that way. What's there that she could possibly check out? That might be for her. Something that she could eat. You never know. Hey, Stevie. You just don't know. Yeah, Stevie.